Hey butterflies, welcome back. Check out these fabulous passion twists. I put my own little twist on these twists and just make them a little messy. I'm going to show you how I do that if you like them. I mean, if you notice, they're longer than most passion twists are. It's not rocket science, but a lot of people ask me how I do that. So I'm going to show you how I stretch the hair, how I prep the hair, and how I get these little loose tendrils that are kind of give it a messy vibe. Because I like my goddess locks and my passion twist to give me like a boho vibe. So that's what I'm going for. I hope you like it. I know I'm mad extra, but this is what we do here. So get familiar. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. You'll get many more different type of tutorials and helpful, insightful videos like this. A lot of me being a narcissist, but more of me trying to teach you and employ different methods that are fast and easy, because that's what life should be. Simple. Like, who got time for the fuck shit? I don't have it. So yeah, stick around and I'm going to show you my method. It's not rocket science. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty fast. I think this style took me about maybe 2.5, maybe 3 hours at the most, because I'll be busting these shits out. But you can too. Pay attention. And hit the like. So we start off with prepping the hair. On your left I have unprepped hair, which is not fluffed, and on your right I have fluffed hair. So you want to fluff the hair just like this and stagger it so that you get like the length that you desire, because normally it's between 18 and 22 inches. So you stagger it layer by layer, piece by piece, till you get what you want. And make sure you leave a little loose curly end at the bottom so that you get that real boho vibe. It's a vibe. Should look like that. So leave one of those loose at the bottom. Once you've twisted your hair down, some of y'all know how to do a Senegalese twist. I have plenty of videos on how to do a damn Senegalese twist or knotless twist. What separates my twist from everybody else is I'll take a couple tendrils out, put a little edge control on them like so, or you can use mousse, whatever you like, mustard or butter, it doesn't matter, some baby oil, and just make sure you put a little sun on it to keep it together, and then put it up away from the rest of your hair as you continue to twist all the way down. Even though I know I got videos showing you how to do fucking Senegalese twists and all that, I'm still gonna show you again, so just pay attention. So yeah, not gonna let that drop, because it's not gonna be in the way or a distraction any longer. And I honestly want to see how I look. When I look at myself, I'll be looking like a deer in headlights, like looking into the viewfinder. I gotta do better. So yeah, started off like a regular Senegalese twist. Don't mind my edges. Don't mind my edges and my little gray hair. Mind your business. What you need to do, pay attention to this twist. Okay. So yeah, I just go in and I grab in one direction, or twist it, rotate, whatever you want to call it, in one direction, and do the same thing on the other side. And then I cross them, making two ropes, and they kind of just naturally rope around each other. And I do that all the way down and pretty taut until I get past my natural hair. And in one of my next upcoming videos, see, look, I'm separating a tendril that I would like of my choice. Well, I don't like that one, it's too short. This one is perfect, and I take that out because I want some loose little curls hanging out of my twist. That's something I do. I don't see a lot of people doing it, but it's like my little signature when I do my Bohemian, what do you call these? Passion twists. So that's what I do. See, I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, so just twist all the way down, and then boom, shakalaka, you got it. Looks nice. Looks nice. That's how it should be. No knots. Beautiful. And then you will end up with something like this, a little ghetto glam. I mixed in a few colors. I have 1B, 30, and 27, which are popular colors for this type of hair, which is the hair that I use for this style is water wave. Everybody knows that. You can just Google passion twist hair, it'll come right up. And yeah, I love it. I love it. So yeah, only a few hours, and look, fabulous, simple, bomb. Make them as big as you want them, as small as you want them, as long or short as you want them. Enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe. Until next time.